Namaskar Mitro, in today's video we are going to build something crazy, a boat that looks like a car. Yes, you heard that right. For this project I'll be using this $3 car that I bought from the local market, and for the controller, as always I'll be using my custom ESP Now remote, the one I built in a previous video. But there is one problem, I don't have a receiver that can control both a cordless motor and a servo, so you know what that means. Let's design and build one. I started this project by designing the circuit in EasyEDA, converting it into a PCB layout and exporting the Gerber files. Then I uploaded them to glcpcb.com to order the boards. Big thanks to glcpcb for sponsoring this video. glcpcb is one of the most reliable and affordable PCB manufacturers out there. They offer everything from standard and multi-layer PCBs to advanced 6-layer PCBs, flex PCBs, PCB assembly and SMT stencils. Using 6 layers really helps in complex designs. It gives more routing freedom, cleaner signal paths and saves a lot of time. Ordering is very simple, just upload your Gerber files, select your PCB specifications and place your order in a minute. The interface is beginner friendly and gives you instant pricing. After a few days, my PCBs arrived and as always the quality was excellent. Right now GLCPCB is offering a limited time deal. You can get 6-layer PCBs for just $2 and a $33 coupon using the link in the description. Now that the PCB is ready, it's time to upload the code. You will find both the transmitter and receiver code in the description. If you want the full coding process, you can refer to that video as well. Alright guys, it's working perfectly. Now let's move to the designing phase. I took all the measurements of the car, captured some reference photos and started designing everything in Fusion 360. After spending a full day on the design, it was finally ready. So let's move on the 3D printing. All the prints came out great, and apart from these 3D printed parts, these are all the components we will need for the build. Now you might be wondering, what is this thing? This is actually a water pump that I built around 3 years ago, and guess what? It is still working perfectly. Now let me show you how I build it. Alright, so this is how I build it. Before we continue, a big shout out to LTM for sponsoring today's video. LTM is known for supporting some of the world's most advanced electronics design workflows, helping engineers collaborate better, manage designs efficiently, and build with confidence. And if you are a student or just getting started, LTM has something truly valuable for you, LTM Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry level learning and a structured PCB program that takes you from basics to the real world design, including layout, manufacturing awareness, and supply chain fundamentals. You will work on practical projects, grow your portfolio, and even earn a certificate that helps you open doors for your future career. So if you are serious about the electronics, check the link in the description and join the LTM Student Lab today. Now let's get back to the build. Honestly, in the beginning, I was not even sure this project would work this well, but the result turned out better than I expected. I hope you like this build. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the red button and join the proknow family. That's it for today guys. I'll see you in the next one.